Welcome to Thirsty Bear Brewing Company, where our selection of unique beers are brewed fresh on site. Our beers begin with the finest malted barley. The bagged barley is carefully milled by brewmaster Brenden Dobel. The milling process prepares the barley by cracking open the husk. The milled barley is then pumped with filtered hot water to produce a mixture known as the mash. The mash is then mixed to achieve an even temperature and consistency. Once that is completed, the mash is allowed to rest while maintaining its temperature. In this process, the mash produces a cloudy sugary liquid known as the wort. The wort is recirculated for clarification. The wort is pumped back over the mash to arrive at a lighter color. While recirculation is occurring, transferring hoses are engaged to the fermentation vats where yeast is deposited. From the mash bed, the wort is transferred into the kettle for boiling. The brewmaster then personally tests the wort for clarity and sugar content to ensure quality. Once the kettle is filled, the wort is brought to a boil. Once boiling, hops is added to bitter the sweetness of the wort for balance. Boiling continues for 1 hour, after which the wort is cooled and transferred into fermenters. The yeast within the vats will convert the sugars of the wort into alcohol and CO2, thus creating beer. After weeks of fermentation, the finished beer is transferred into serving tanks, kegs, then straight to the tap and poured fresh into your glass. And there you have it, a Thirsty Bear original.